In this video, we'll show you how to install Option Price Calculator in Liquid-based themes and stores that are using page builders. To get started, open the Option Price Calculator app and navigate to the Install tab. From here, we can select our Liquid-based theme. Notice we have Liquid-based themes listed as well as the manual install option. Either one of these will work in our case. They go through the same tutorial steps. We'll choose the Liquid-based theme. The first step is to activate the Option Price Calculator app embed. Let's click Activate App Embed. Here we are, taken to your app embeds for our Liquid-based theme. Notice the Option Price Calculator app embed is already activated, so all we need to do is click Save. Now that the page is saved, we can close this tab. And coming back to our install page, let's click Refresh. Great. Our app embed has been activated successfully. Unless you're coming from an old version of our app and you've ran into some issues, you should ignore this section. Scrolling down, we can get started on step 2. What we'll do here is copy the product page code provided, and we're going to either paste it inside of a product description, or we're going to paste it into a product page template. Ideally, you would use method 2 and paste it into your product page template. That will make it so this code can function for any product. If you paste it into a product description, the app calculator can only show for that particular product description, and you would have to paste this into every product that you want to use the calculator with. Let's start by showing you how to paste it into a product description correctly. I've gone ahead and selected this code and I've copied it using a keyboard shortcut. Switching tabs, I'm now looking at a product that I'm ready to paste this code into. Here is your product description. If I paste a code like this will be incorrect. What I have just done is pasted HTML code as text in the description. You do not want to do this. Instead, what we need to do is click this button that says Show HTML. Once we've clicked that button, we can go ahead and paste our code. This allows the HTML to be hidden on the product description, but it will appear at the top, which will be where the calculator displays. I'll go ahead and save the product. And now we're ready to test if this is working. Let's jump over to a product. If I refresh my page, just like that, the calculator is showing where I'd expect. So method 1 has been completed successfully. Now let's continue on and show you how to do method 2. Method 2 involves pasting this same code directly into a product template. What I'll do here is I'm going to jump over to Online Store Themes, and we're going to edit the theme that we're working on. Let's go edit code. I've already opened up the appropriate page, and you may need to figure out what the proper product page template that needs to be edited actually is. In this particular theme, I know this is the correct page. Look for something that's titled similar to product template.liquid. Now, the next important thing is to figure out where you actually want to put this code. Just taking a look at our product page, again, I'll refresh. I have removed our previous code. Where I probably want this to appear is just under the price. So what I'm going to do inside of this script here is just take a look to see if I can find something related to product price. And okay, here it is. There's the product price. So I believe this is where I should paste my code. So I'll go ahead and paste my code right here. And that's pretty much all I need to do in terms of updating my product template. Let's go save. And now that we've saved it here, let's see if our page is working again. Refresh our product page. And just like that, our calculator is showing exactly where we wanted. Now, to prove you one thing, if I want to move this above the price, all I will do is come back to my code. I'm going to cut this and move it right above the product price. Let's put it back and see what it looks like now. Sure enough, the calculator is now above the price. The final method to show you would be what you do if you need to add the app to a page builder. In this case, if the page builder doesn't have a mechanism for you to add the product page app block directly, what we need to do is take that same code that we've copied and paste it into a custom liquid block or a custom liquid section. It could also be an HTML section if your page builder has that. I'm not technically on a page builder here, but the exact same concept applies for page builders or on a product page. So what I'll do here is add a new block, and I'm going to look for liquid. And you may want to search for liquid or HTML. Both should work. And I found a custom liquid block here. So let's go ahead and add that. And next, I'll just simply paste my option price calculator code into that liquid section. And sure enough, the page refreshed and my app has now appeared. The neat part about doing it this way is I have the ability to change the order of this now. And that concludes installing Option Price Calculator into Liquid-based themes and page builders.